family, welcome back. Hey, welcome back family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Yo, sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it, honey. I have a work business inside trip because it's in Nashville. I have like a leadership training that I have to go to, and they're putting me up in a hotel. Now, a sis got the child, and then my mom is going on vacation. So a sis is busy. You know, I have to run everybody everywhere. And so if you see a little glistening and shine, all that to say, if you see a little glistening and shine, I've been running. But we are not here for that, honey. I had to pick up a few things at Sephora. I had to go to 2 different Sephoras, okay, to get the things that I needed. So I wanted to come to my family and show you all a quick haul, okay? But I needed to talk about something before I went there, okay? This is not about fragrance. Okay, so I'm sorry, girlies. You know, let me talk about something else real quick. A 1-2, okay? I've said this before. I am not your makeup guru, okay? I am definitely out in these streets learning like some other sisters of mine. We're learning as we go. But I had to talk about it, okay? I have one of the things that I struggle with a lot with the makeup world and stuff is brows. Okay, so everything eyeshadow. I don't know how the girlies be popping on the poppiness of eyeshadow. Yeah, I don't know how y'all do that. I'm trying to make it look like that, and it don't work. Okay, I've been trying, so I need to take a class on just applying eyeshadow, right? But other than that, my brows, I have naturally thick eyebrows.
And your eyebrows.
Okay? These are not all painted on and all. Naturally thick eyebrows. Okay? I need them done anyway. Don't worry about that. Okay? Stay focused. But need them done. But I struggle with my brows because they're thick. I love my brows being thick. I love that, right? When I go and get them done, I'm like, clean them up. Don't cut them short. Don't do none of that. Just clean them up. That's it. I love my naturally thick brow, but it is so hard to like, I've been using pomade, so I'm like, is it too black? Is it too thick? I don't know what to do with them, okay? But I was listening to the girlies, right? And they were on this Rare Beauty brow gel. And I'm like, now what do that do? Are there instructions? Because I told you, I don't know what I'm doing. So is there instructions so I can, anyway. So no instructions, just letting you know, okay? Well, there is a little bit, but not how to, you know, do what you need to do. Anyway, go on YouTube, find somebody that's putting on a brow gel. Anyway, Rare Beauty brow gel, I did it, right? So let me know your thoughts. I don't know. It's giving me natural, babe. I don't mind her, but I don't know. Let me know your thoughts down below. And then shopped my collection, and I found this because I was like, well, maybe don't use the pomade with the gel. Maybe use a pencil. So this is a waterproof brow definer pencil, and this is oat brown. So I just shopped my collection. All right. I don't know. So just let me know. So maybe I just need to do a pencil instead of the pomade. Maybe the pomade's out of style. Girl, no. Let me know. I don't know. Okay. Let's go to the haul. So some of the things that I picked up were repurchases, and others were just something that I wanted to test out. Anyway, one of my repurchase, Fenty Skin. This is the Instant Reset, the Overnight Recovering Gel Cream. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Okay. If you're looking for a overnight cream that gives you thickness and you just know it's going to do your skin right in the morning, trickle on down to Fenty Skin. yes ma'am, yes ma'am. I mean, love it. So this is a repurchase, definitely going in my bag so that I can have, because I don't have no more. Okay, anyway, I said that. Okay, so next up, another repurchase, cream-wise. I've talked about this before, is the Tatcha, and this is the Dewy Skin Cream. Love Tatcha line. I've said that. I would love the entire Tatcha line, right? That will be a lot of money. Okay, so I got to go step at a time. That's my life. But this is so good. It feels so rejuvenating on your skin. It's so creamy and thick, and it just, I've tried other moisturizers, but this just like says, girl, let me take care of your face. You know, I love this down. So pick this up, and I was interested in the green one. This is the Deep Cleanse. So I got the travel size in this because I want to try to see like if I would like it, if I vibe with it. So this would be perfect to take right with me to try, right? If you are considering a product, consider a travel size. Who about to say something to you? Consider the travel size, because why are you gonna spend all this money on something that you think might work because you like the product, instead of just knowing it's going to work and you like the product and you don't feel like you're wasting your coin? Like, travel size it up. Like in perfume world, skincare world, do makeup got travel size? I think they do. Anyway, travel size your life up, because that is the thing to do, you know, especially in this time. Did you go grocery shopping?
Oh, and you know we can't afford the fun pack. What do you think, money grows on trees in this family? Take it back.
Groceries are expensive. You might as well just eat out every day and just consume and consume. And that's why we like this right now, and I need to do better. Anyway, not talking about that. This is what I want to try. I want to see if it's good, because I, again, love Tatcha. I am a fan, and I want to use more of their products. So this is the best, and this was like $27. So I get the moisturizer and the cleanser. You can't go wrong. So hook yourself up. Definitely. So next up, 2 makeup products that I had to re-up on. I, again, am not your makeup girl, but since I'm not a makeup girl, it's like habit. You know, if something works for me, I'm going to stick with it until something else works for me. I'm not going to be buying a ton of makeup products when I know one thing works.
Well, duh.
You know, I'm not going to review new makeup products because it's just not my life, right? Honey, I'm trying. Anyway, one size, right? This is the Turn Up Base. This is the Medium Dark 3 Concealer. I have really enjoyed this concealer. It's really worked well. I don't see any like lines or breakage or whatever it's not supposed to do. I don't see that. Not that I probably could point that out, but anyway, I don't see it. I feel like I look good and it works, right? But I get the Dark 3 for my complexion, just to highlight under my eyes, right? A sister is moving up in the world on age, so we need all the highlights we can get. Anyway, then I got this product. This is not a repurchase, but I wanted to try this. This is a correcting skin stick. This is from Fenty. I'm loving Fenty. I don't have a problem with her. But I wanted to try. I love the dark contour type of stick that I use from Fenty. So I wanted to try like the orangey pumpkin ones. I don't have much that I have to correct. Thank you, Jesus. I don't have much that I have to correct, but like around my mouth, it's a little bit darker than my face. Not heavy dark, but either way, I wanted to try a new color correcting formula. And so definitely wanted to tap onto Fenty, Black owned. So just wanted to tap into, her life anyway. I love Fenty products. So, okay. Next, now let's talk about the big kaboom badado of It Better Work. Okay. Next up, honey, a facial product that I spent. You ready? Okay. Want me to say it? Okay. Let me get to the point. I got you. $180. Okay. Yeah, I know. So I'm hoping that this works, because they didn't have no tester. They had a tester in the store. Y'all know I just don't do the testing. I'm not about that life. Okay. I know some people use it because I've seen it used. So I know that some people use the testers that are in the store. I am just not about that life. Okay. It's just me. Too many things out there. Anyway, I purchased Clarins. You all see it? This is the double serum. Now, let's talk about this for a second.
Everything stops fatigue.
What made me purchase this is Kiko Beauty here on YouTube. She might not ever see this video, and that's fine. Okay. I do watch her, like I know some of my family members also do. She said this was good, and the way that she described how good this was, I was like, So you saying I need that? Is that what you just said to me? Okay. So, I trickled myself on down to Sephora and I picked it up. Cause I am looking for a new serum, a good one. I didn't want it to cost $108. But we're here now. Okay, let's not even stay on that and reflect on that. Oh, forget it. It's in my hand. It's not going back. Damage done. Clarins. I'm hoping that this $108. Excuse me. I'm hoping that this lasts 6 months. Do it last 6 to 8 months? Cause cost per wear on my face. I don't know, but we gonna see if it do what it do. Doing and done. Girl, I just want my face to be cute. I want people to always think they know my age and are surprised when they really know my age. That's what I want that to do. So as long as that serum does exactly what that needs to do and confuse the people of how old I am, I very much appreciate it, because my body is really telling me lately how old I really am. Yeah, girl. Woo, we got to get back into the gym and all the things and good eating habits. We'll talk about that at another date. Girl, we got to get life together. Anyway, well, that's all, family. That's all for my quick Sephora haul. Honey, have you picked up anything from Sephora? I would love to know. I hope you have a fabulous weekend, because by the time you see this, I believe it will be Friday. Honey, my days roll together. So, welcome. Make sure you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey. Make sure that you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah. Your sis just did. Bye, family. I love you so much. Bye.